The reason you have a mobile phone is in the title, right? You want it to be mobile. So why is it your phone battery goes down by 20% when all you've done is walk 10 minutes down the road to get to the corner shop? Unfortunately, many people are like you and their phone battery drains quickly for no apparent reason. Hi, my name's Ben, and in this video I'll explain why this happens and more importantly what you can do to stop it. Number 1.
Error 404, charging unfound.
First of all, it could be because you're using an incorrect charger. But Ben, I've got the plug, it plugs in, it says it's charging. Don't tell me I'm wrong, Ben. Don't tell me that I'm wrong. Each phone model has its own optimum wattage for fast charging. Or in other words, its ideal amount of power to charge. Often for older phones, like the iPhone 7s and earlier, in which fast charging isn't enabled, 5 watts is usually the best wattage for the plug. Basically, plugs go with your phones like they were made for each other. How cute.
Ben, right, get back to work.
Sorry, I was just
Yeah, sorry.
Also, make sure that these chargers are official. For example, Apple iPhones and iPads use genuine MFI cables and MFI plugs. You'll know what these are because you'll see this helpful little image. And for Android devices, make sure you're buying official products from reliable retailers. Kind of like, you know, the big phone store. Also, your charger goes great with a little tool called Optimized Battery Charging. To reduce battery aging, it learns from your charging routine so it can finish charging past a certain point until you need to use it again. And that's good. Number 2.
The brightness. It burns!
There is a more straightforward cause. This. Using your phone in the highest brightness setting, as some phones even caution, will drain your battery quickly. We recommend that on whatever phone you own, you enable auto brightness. It's one quick setting that can adjust the brightness of your phone based on the light levels and will save a lot of battery life. Number 3. Updates downgrade. Left, right and center. Updates are plentiful on smartphones, be it adding more features, optimizing existing ones, or security updates. The problem with new updates on older phones is that they're there to help new devices perform smoothly. So, for example, when iOS 15 is released with iPhone 13s in mind, a poor old iPhone 6, which is 6 years old, won't stand a chance at the thing it's wanting it to do. Think of it like throwing a skateboard to an 80-year-old and expecting them to pull off some tricks. They can try, but please be careful. The best way to alleviate this is to disable auto updates on your older devices. Although this means missing out on the newest features, it's worth it for your poor little phone. Also, with all this talk of updates and asking your phone to do so much for you, you can help out too by swiping away those apps running in the background and, if not needed, turning off those pesky location tracking apps that are draining the life of your battery.
Whatever apps are doing this, it's not funny, okay? Google, I'm looking at you.
You may already have your phone on with auto brightness, use a reliable charger, and don't have the latest update installed. If that's the case and your battery's still not behaving itself, it could just be down to expectations. Battery life on phones has improved, but the main steps that are being taken to help with these health issues is through charging efficiently, as I mentioned before. It may just be that your phone doesn't have the battery life like it did at the start. It isn't the young whippersnapper it used to be. The best thing to do in this situation is charge it regularly with things like power banks, wireless chargers, and fast chargers. I hope this helped you, and I'll see you on the next one.